Hello, my name is Rich and I am the creator of the GoStop. The GoStop is the first work stop intentionally designed for maximum capability and efficiency. The design of the GoStop is ridiculously simple, but the meticulous engineering and attention to detail that went into it are second to none. Let's take a closer look at what makes the GoStop so revolutionary. There are 4 key features that set the GoStop apart from every other work stop on the market today. Number 1. The stop rod is the highest point of the assembly when you use 1/4 inch diameter or larger stop rods. No part of the clamping mechanism wraps all the way around the rod, and that's what gives you full cutter clearance. Number 2. You can use any diameter stop rod from a 1/16 of an inch up to 3/8 of an inch. You don't need to change any parts to do it, you just open and close it. Number 3. You can use any shape stop rod that fits in the clamp. Hex happens to be a very good fit with the cut on the back of the jaw. Number 4. The stop rod can be loaded directly from the top. With just one turn of the screw, you can now lift the stop rod directly up and out of the clamp. No need to slide it all the way out the end to remove it. The kit comes with everything you need to use it. The full assembly, a 3-inch long stop rod, a 6-inch long stop rod, the wrench for adjustments, and the mounting fastener for the back. There's a left-hand side and a right-hand side. These will both mount to any standard 6-inch vise pattern. Let's get this mounted to the vise. The first thing you want to do is be sure everything is clean, because this surface of the mounting bracket needs to rest squarely on the locating edge of the vise. Then you just insert the fastener and tighten it up. Always make sure that it's square before you torque it. Click. Once the GoStop is mounted to the vise, there are only 2 adjustments to make for each setup: stop rod clamp and pivot clamp. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that brief introduction to the patent pending GoStop, which is made in the USA. Be sure to subscribe and share this with all your machinist friends so you can learn all the ways the GoStop is making every other vise stop obsolete. Until next time, remember, if the spindle ain't turning, you ain't earning.